Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this used Toyota Yaris Cross. This Toyota is powered by a 1.5 litre petrol hybrid engine that produces 114 brake horsepower with automatic transmission. It's finished in this lovely grey paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you'll find the 18-inch 5 triple spoke alloy wheels, and to the front the powerful LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Coming into the boot, which can open automatically, and you find the Toyota offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and additional storage. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with the part leather part cloth seating, which feature ISOFIX mounting points. Moving into the cabin, and you'll find your front seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The multi-function steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display and touchscreen display. Moving on to the touchscreen display, there are various ways to listen to media, such as FM and DAB radio, and Bluetooth and USB connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road, and navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Beneath the display, you'll find your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. And this Toyota comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors and cameras, allowing you to park up stress-free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Toyota Yaris Cross that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.